Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me once again, Wrong Style. Today I am showing you how to make radish wrap in 2 ways. So let's get started. So I am preparing the ingredients. We have minced chicken, pepper, salt, garlic powder. We have fresh whole radish, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and chopped carrots. First, wash the radish in water and remove the skin. After removing the skin, slice it into thin slices. And here I am showing you how to slice the radish thinly. This time I'm steaming the sliced radish for 2 minutes. Steaming is the easiest way for me to soften the radish slices, and also it's easy for me to fold it later. So while waiting for our radish to get done, it's time to season the chicken. Just add all the ingredients together and mix it slowly. It's time to put the fillings into the radish and stick it together with a toothpick. So there you go, in our last final batch of our radish wrap. Arrange the skewed wraps in a steamer and cook for 5 minutes. And after that, our radish wrap is ready to serve. Guys, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you some other time. Bye bye bye.
Every single day